Huizhou Hefa Electronic Company Limited was founded in 2007. We dedicated to custom high-precision CNC machining, CNC turning, hardware fabrication, mold manufacturing, casting, aluminum extrusion. We have sophisticated CNC machining center, engraving and drilling machine, turning lathe and milling machine, cold forming machine, automatic production line, and other equipments. The material we process can be a variety of metals, specialty metals, plastic. Through years' experience and development, Hefa has become one of the biggest CNC machining industry and the leading exporter in Huizhou, and built an impressive reputation from our partners and customers, home and abroad. We have a strong professional team who are able to create products to meet the specific needs of our customers for OEM base. Meanwhile, we seriously take care of the quality control from IQC to OQC throughout each step of the production and do our best to deliver the shipment without any delay. We strive to exceed our customers' expectations in all aspects of product manufacturing process and recognize our great responsibilities to our customers, employees, suppliers, and society. We keep adopting advanced production facilities to improve efficiency and ensure high and stable quality, and further reduce the production cost. The objective is to create reliable, viable, and affordable CNC machining parts and fast sample service for every industry. Welcome to speak with Hefa for setting up business association on mutual benefit.